Hello everyone, I'm in Pickering. I'm on Liverpool Road, and this is the end of Liverpool Road. This is south end of Liverpool Road. I'll post a driving video of me getting here, but this is right here. I'm going to walk to the lakeshore here. It's a marina here. Parking isn't cheap, $20. There's no free parking here, it's all paid. I had to park my car way back and I had to walk here. So last time I was talking at the Rouge Hill station, before I was cut off, I was going to talk about the Feiyu Pocket 2. It's a good solid camera. Two things I would wish for is this microphone would be better, because you can't hardly hear me. Actually, okay, this way is to a pier. There's a pier over there. Maybe I can walk there. Let's see if I can. No, the road is closed. I can't go that way. It's closed right now. Actually, there's people going there. Let me see if I can walk there. Should have brought my gloves. It's freezing. Oh my god, it's freezing. And the next thing I wish for with this camera is, every time I start recording, it starts tilting for some reason. The head starts tilting. So sometimes in my videos, you'll see it tilted for some reason. It's not me. It's the camera doing that. I have to stop the camera and recenter it, but I don't want to do that all the time. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. Maybe it'll get better in the next thing, but I actually never been this part of Pickering before, so this is all new to me too. You see boats here, or it's a big marina here. It's like a small European town here. Look at that. It's a small European town. Not many people know about this area. Let me stop the video here. When I get to the pier over there, I mean the lighthouse, I'll start recording again. So here we go. This is Frenchman's Bay. Let me see. Yeah, that's Frenchman's Bay right here. I'm actually almost in Ajax. This is Ajax, but not Pickering. So this is like a little canal here. I think they dug out, so the boats can come in through here. So that section over there, you see over there, is all closed down, so I couldn't do that before. So next, when the weather gets better and maybe when they open it up, I'll do that side, but this side, going to this side, right? Very choppy water, very cold water. Woo, it's cold! Oh my God, it's cold. That's Pickering nuclear power plant right there. So close. Bloody coldness. Holy smoke. Once in a while I gotta check my camera to make sure I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. So you have to forgive me when I stop and look at my camera, see, make sure it's recording. It's a very early morning. I'm around 9 a.m. so I came here early. Not sure why I'm an idiot. Oh my God, it's cold. So yeah, here, it's like this, right? You can only access this area via Liverpool Road, which I'll post a video up, right? And yeah, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna start again when I get to that side over there, and I will start walking towards the Pickering nuclear power plant. So I'm back here at the middle part of the pier, so I'm going to start walking this way. Hi. So this is the end of the pier. I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to walk on the sand. Yeah, that's it. I think there's a path. If you look at the map, there's a path, like a walking path or a hiking path down there, but I'm not going to do it right now. Not today. It's too cold. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I've noticed a lot of people from a lot of other countries watching my videos. Please subscribe and share my videos around. I want to grow my channel. I want to eventually travel around the country and around the world, showing videos, my perspective. Hence my channel name, MyViewToronto. It's My View of Toronto. So yeah, hope you like this video. Share it around. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Here's a little bit more of this area. So, give you a good look at this.